Let's learn how to convert whole numbers in base 4 to base 10. And here is an example. Convert 201 base 4 to base 10. Solution. Write out the number which we have as 201 base 4. Now the first step is to number the digits from the back starting from 0. What's the last digit here? 1. So we start our numbering from there with 0, 1, 2. Then after that we can solve. 201 base 4 will be equal to, now we'll pick the first digit, 2, multiplied by the base, 4, raised to the power of the numbering we have on top here, 2, plus, we do the same thing for the next digit, which is 0. So we have 0 multiplied by the base, 4, raised to the power of the numbering on top, 1, plus, for the next digit also, 1, multiplied by the base, 4, raised to the power of the numbering, 0. Then we can simplify further. Equals 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 2. Let's do that at the side. 4 raised to the power of 2. That means 4 times 4. 2 places, 1, 2. 4 multiplied by 4, that's 16. So that means our 4 raised to the power of 2 here is 16. Plus 0 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1, that's still 4. Because it's just 1. 4 plus 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 0, 1. Because any number raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. So we have equals 2 multiplied by 16, that gives us 32, plus 0 multiplied by 4, 0, plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Let's add. 32 plus 0, that's 32, plus 1, we have 33. And by doing that, we've converted 201 base 4 to base 10, which gives us 33 in base 10. Thank you.